In this video, I will show you how you can set the adaptive clock style on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just go to the lock screen of your Samsung phone, then tap and hold on the empty space on your lock screen. After you do that, then just tap on the lock screen clock, and the font and color section, just make sure you select this font, which is the second font over here. And after you do that, you'll enable the adaptive clock on the lock screen. But also there is something more to keep in mind, that under clock style, just make sure you select either this clock style or this one. Because if you select any other clock style, the clock will not interact with the wallpaper of your Samsung phone. So make sure you select any one from the first two options. You can either select the horizontal one or the vertical one. For example, I will select the horizontal one. Now if I drag this clock from the handles over here, as you can see, it is interacting with our wallpaper. Just like that. Now once you're satisfied with your lock screen clock style, then just tap on Done to save. And this is how you can set the adaptive clock style on the lock screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.